Welcome back to Wave 3 Listens. Perhaps you noticed during the winter that your home was struggling to retain heat. Can you imagine when that temperature gets up around 90, trying to keep your house cool? It's not your heater, it's not your air conditioner, it may be your windows. With us now, we have the answer. Windows Direct USA. We have the president with us via Zoom, and that is Chris Carey. Okay, Chris, talk to me a little bit. Why is right now the perfect time to get new windows?
Look, right now with everything that's going on, there's some crazy good deals. We've actually worked out some deals with our vendor and manufacturing partners to where they're actually giving incentives as well to move forward with windows, doors, or even a bath remodeling project.
So tell me a little bit about the fact that your windows are so airtight, much more than the competitors' windows. That is what is crucial for you to save money on your heating and air conditioning bills. So tell me a little bit about your windows and what makes them such high quality.
Yeah, we put a lot of focus in the engineering aspects and data of products. So, a window's not just a window. We look at all the ratings, like the air infiltration rating, the R value, and we try to build the windows to be the best on the market. The last thing you want is a drafty window that you just got installed, right? I mean, those things exist. So what we do is we really look at the engineering side of it to make sure our window is the best performer on the market.
Chris, as we know, we'll go ahead and talk about this elephant in the room. Spring is usually the perfect time to do home improvement projects. However, now is a little bit different, but you guys have addressed that at Windows Direct USA. You are doing like these virtual appointments. How does that work, Chris?
Absolutely. Just like we're doing right now, we're communicating through the internet. So what we've done, we've created virtual appointments to where we don't have to come out to your home. We can look at your home from either photos you send us or, some homes that have photos on Zillow or Google Street. So we can look at the photos of your home, determine what you want, show you samples through the internet, and get you an exact down to the penny price right there from the comfort of your own home.
And I know you guys are real sticklers about doing things correctly as far as cleanliness, remaining sterile. So no worries, right, Chris?
Absolutely. Our installation technicians are following all the CDC guidelines as far as, social distancing. We have all the cleaning supplies, hand sanitizers, and even face masks. That way, everyone's safe and protected, and you can still take care of your home at the same time.
And other advantages, we talked a little bit about the efficiency, but I think another important aspect of having new windows is noise reduction, Chris. That's something that you guys you really pride yourself on, right?
Absolutely. So part of what we do is we've paired some special glass units together to create some of the quietest windows on the market.
Okay, we've talked about efficiency, we talked about noise reduction. Let's talk about something else that maybe people didn't realize they can get via Windows, and that is style. Windows Direct USA, you guys take great pride. There is a lot of variety and a lot of choices that you can make, right?
Absolutely. Every window that we do is custom made. We can do tons of different color options, different colors on the interior, black, wood, white, any color imaginable can be put on the exterior of your windows.
All right, let's talk a little bit about the fact that when people talk about new windows and the competition, they want to talk about warranties, they want to talk about cost. You guys are one of America's favorite retailers, and the reason being is because you do efficient, cost is fair. Like we mentioned, you can have free virtual tours, all of that. It's kind of a turnkey operation, right?
Right. Yeah. You don't have to worry about anything. We take care of it from start to finish. Even after we do the project, we'll be there if you ever need anything. You're covered under a lifetime warranty for as long as you own the home.
Now, if someone decides to do one of these in-home appointments, there's no obligation, right? It's kind of like coming into a store and taking a look around, and if you decide it's for you, yeah, Windows Direct USA would love to have you. If not, that's okay too, right?
Absolutely. All of our estimates are free. There's no pressure to buy right up front. Basically, we just look at what you need. We give you a price that's guaranteed for 30 days. And you take your time, you can shop around, look at the competition. We actually love it when customers are educated because it just makes us look that much better when you see what else is out there.
You know, I tell you what, I love when someone has passion for what they do. It's obvious that you do. Let's talk about other advantages of new windows. I think sometimes people don't realize that if your windows are old and light, that sunlight is getting in, it can harm your carpets, artwork, furniture, things like this. So maybe you can point out some other advantages to having new windows, Chris, if you would.
Look, the advantages are endless. You know, comfort, blocking UV light, the beautiful, you know, aesthetics of your home, and not to mention, like right now is the best time to buy. There's so many great promotions out there. Probably not just with us, but with anyone. So I would suggest if you got windows that you need to get done, right now is the very best time to make that happen.
All right, Chris, you're the president, so you make the call here. You've got a special going on right now, and I think all of Wave Country would love to hear about it. Everyone has a budget. Everyone loves a deal. So what is the deal at Windows Direct USA?
You know, we worked really hard with our manufacturing vendors and partners, and the promotion we got right now is the biggest thing that we've ever had. I've actually never heard anything like it in the industry. So right now, you can get 50% off installation with no money down, no interest, and no payments for 1 year. Plus, you actually get up to $1,000 stimulus check within 7 days of making your order. So not only do you have to put no money down, but you can get up to $1,000 in your pocket right now just by buying a new window, door, or bath from Windows Direct.
Wait a minute, that's a great deal. Let me be clear about this. Okay, we're talking about $1,000 here, no money down, and that installation charge. Again, did you say 50% off installation?
That's right, 50% off the installation, no money down, and we'll put $1,000 in your pocket.
You know, here in Wave Country, we love the fact that everyone has, and we're seeing some samples of your work, beautiful work. There's all kinds of diverse homes. Everyone's a little bit different. For those who may say, well, I don't know if, you know, my home's a little bit unique. I don't know if they can help me. What would you suggest, Chris?
Look, estimates are free. They're virtual. It takes just a few minutes for us to look at your home. I'm sure there's something we can do for you. All you got to do is go to our website, send in your info, and we can take a look and see what we can do to help you out.
All right, Chris, we've got about 30 seconds remaining. So before we let you go, because there's a lot of deal going on here, folks, so I want to make sure that it's very, very clear. Again, right now is the time to call Windows Direct USA. And if you would, that's a grocery list of a great deal. So tell us again, Chris, what you're offering.
Once again, we don't have to come to your house, safe virtual appointments. Plus, you get 50% off installation, no money down, no interest, and make no payments for a year. And we'll give you $1,000 check in your pocket just for getting new windows, doors, or baths.
Chris Carey, thank you so much. Continued success to you and Windows Direct USA. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. Appreciate you having us.
All right, once again, that's the president of Windows Direct USA. We'll take a little break and we'll return on Wave 3 Listens.